Apply shaving foam to the mop. This trick was shared with me by a luxury hotel cleaner. Shaving foam is more than just a shaving product. It has cleaning and degreasing properties and removes tough stains. Its ingredients, such as glycerin and moisturizing agents, give surfaces a polished look. Cover the mop with shaving foam and gently spread it across the floor. Shaving foam also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Now, fill a bucket with water and add fabric softener and vinegar. The fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and makes the floor more resistant to dust buildup. It also has an antistatic effect. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a natural cleaner with disinfecting and degreasing properties. It effectively removes dirt and bacteria. Soak the mop in the prepared solution and wipe the entire floor. The combination of shaving foam, fabric softener, and vinegar creates an exceptional cleaning mix. This method not only leaves the floor sparkling clean, but also keeps it fresh for longer and less prone to dust accumulation. No wonder professionals in luxury hotels use it. Don't throw away your old mop. Don't waste money on a new one when you can easily refresh it. A dirty mop doesn't clean, it spreads dirt and leaves streaks. Regular cleaning removes accumulated dust, dirt, and bacteria, making your floor truly clean. Start by removing the mop head and preparing a large bowl or bucket. Pour 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will remove dirt and leave a fresh scent. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, dissolves grease, and effectively eliminates streaks. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water and soak the mop in this mixture. Let it sit for an hour to allow the dirt to dissolve. While waiting, clean the bucket. Spray it with cleaning fluid, scrub with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly. After an hour, remove the mop, pour a small amount of cleaner over it, and scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse thoroughly and leave it to dry. Done. Your mop is clean, fresh, and looks like new. Repeat this process regularly, and cleaning will become easier with streak-free floors. I sprinkle my mop with blue powder and blue liquid. My floor shines for a long time. This combination creates a thick, active foam that easily tackles dirt and greasy stains. The foam reaches every corner, so there's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated cleaning. The entire floor becomes shiny after just one wipe, and after cleaning, it doesn't just shine, it smells amazing too. This method works better than most store-bought cleaners and doesn't require harsh chemicals. When pouring the used water into the toilet, you can see how cloudy and full of dirt it is, proof of how effective this technique is. The secret? The mysterious blue powder is simply laundry detergent, and the blue liquid is dish soap. Try this trick, and you'll see how easy it is to get a perfectly clean, shiny, and fresh-smelling floor. Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home. Get rid of dirt on the walls without scrubbing or streaks. Start by filling a bucket with hot water, then add a bit of dish soap. This is a great cleaner that effectively removes grease, dust, and other dirt. Soak the mop in the solution, then wring it out so it's only slightly damp. This prevents excess water that could harm your walls or doors. Now clean away. Glide the mop across the walls, ceiling, and doors. Effortlessly remove dust, stains, and dirt. This quick and convenient method lets you reach even the hardest to reach spots, without the need for a ladder or cloth. When you're done, pour the dirty water into the toilet and see how much grime you've removed. Clean, refreshed surfaces with no streaks or dust, all in just a few minutes. Enjoy your perfectly clean space. Put bubble wrap on the mop and forget about a dirty floor. I discovered this trick by accident. I'll tell you why you should try it too. Usually, when you mop the floor, all the pressure goes in one direction. Dirt and dust only gather on the edge of the mop. Bubble wrap slides smoothly over the floor. It makes the dust and dirt collect across the entire surface. But that's not all. Now take a paper towel and tear off larger pieces. Fit them to the size of the mop. The paper should be placed under the bubble wrap. It will absorb the water and dirt. Fold the paper so it wraps around the center of the mop. Secure everything with rubber bands. 2 will be enough to keep it all in place. Now mop the floor as usual. You'll notice the difference immediately. This hack works great for cleaning walls and ceilings too. It doesn't leave streaks or smudges. The floor shines and all the dust ends up where it belongs. Try it once, and you'll never go back to the old way. Stick a sanitary pad to a mop. You'll never need to climb a ladder again. I'll show you how to do this trick. Take a sanitary pad and place it on the floor mop handle. Then, remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it to the mop. Now, pour some dish soap onto the pad, followed by a bit of water. The pad will absorb the soap perfectly. Use this tool to clean your bathroom. You won't need a ladder anymore. People often forget how important it is to clean the bathroom walls. A lot of bacteria accumulate on the wall. You can also add some glass cleaner to the pad. With this trick, you'll reach every tile effortlessly. Watch as the pad picks up dirt perfectly. Your tiles will shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. Put your mop in a bag and you'll get rid of dirt and streaks on your floors for good. Simply tie the mop in a bag and you'll eliminate the issue of dirty floors once and for all. We often leave our mops dirty and damp when we shouldn't, which can lead to the growth of mold and bacteria. But I've got a genius trick that will clean it thoroughly. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. Grab a garbage bag, put the mop inside, and sprinkle 1 scoop of laundry detergent over it. Next, pour some dishwashing liquid onto the mop. Tie the bag and leave it for about 30 minutes. After that, take the mop out and rinse it in a bucket of clean water. You can repeat this process twice, and I guarantee your mop will stay clean for a long time. Give it a try. You'll see that in just a few minutes, your mop will be spotless and as good as new. This simple trick will not only extend its lifespan, but also help you say goodbye to streaky floors.